viewers, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. We all know that this is mango season and all my viewers are expecting some mango recipes from me. So I thought I should share some mango recipes with you all. So today I will be sharing with you one of my mango recipes, that is mango cake. So let's begin with the process, and before that I must remind you all that if you are new here in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and if you like the recipe then don't forget to like the video, comment on the video and share the video with your family and friends.
For making mango cake, I have taken here 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup mango pulp, half cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 egg, half cup oil, 2 tablespoon butter, some dry fruits, and these dry fruits are optional. I have taken here 1 mixing bowl, and in the mixing bowl I have taken here 1 egg. We need to beat the egg very well for around 1 minute, and then we will be adding the powdered sugar or sugar powder into the egg, and then again we need to give it a good mix. After mixing it for 2 to 3 minutes, now we will be adding some butter into it and give it a quick mix, and then we will be adding the oil into it. I am using both oil and butter, but if you want to skip butter then you can definitely skip. Then in that case you need to add 1 cup oil instead of half cup oil. Similarly, you can skip the oil and use total 1 cup of butter into it. Now we will be adding 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida into it and need to give it a very good mix. Now we need to add the mango pulp into this mixture, and for making mango pulp I have taken here 2 mangoes, and after removing the skin of these 2 mangoes I have squeezed the mangoes very well and taken out all the pulps, and then I have grinded it into a mixing jar for around 3 to 4 minutes, and then I have stained it in a stainer. We need to give it a very good mix. There shouldn't be any lumps into the mixture, and after mixing it very well, the thickness should be like this, the thickness or consistency, and then we need to add the baking powder and baking soda into this mixture, and again need to give it a very good mix. Now I have taken here 1 cake baking mold or cake baking tray, and I have greased some oil into it and then sprinkled some all-purpose flour so that while demolding the cake there will not be any problem. And now we will be adding the cake batter or mixture into this mold. There shouldn't be any air bubbles, so for that you need to tap this cake mold or cake tin very well. Now for a better look, I will add some dry fruits on the top, and I am using here some cashew nuts and some almonds, but you can definitely take any other dry fruits as per your choice, and this is totally optional. If you want to skip, you can definitely skip this. Now we need to bake this cake on a preheated oven, so I have preheated my oven for 7 minutes at 180 degree centigrade, and now I will bake this cake on 180 degree centigrade for 12 minutes, and after 12 minutes, see, my cake is totally ready. I am checking with the help of a knife whether the cake has been baked properly or not, and it looks that the cake has been baked properly. Now keep this aside and let it be cool. After 1 hour, when the cake is in room temperature, I have demolded the cake, and now I am cutting the cake. The cake looks perfect. See, I'm pressing the cake with the help of my hand, and it looks very soft and very yummy.
I hope you all liked my mango cake. If you liked the recipe, then please like the video, share the video with your family and friends, and comment on the video. And if you have any special requests regarding any special recipes, then do let me know by commenting on the video comment section. I will definitely try to bring the recipe in front of you as soon as possible. And subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye.